This is my soccer robot arena, and with here there's a goalie which has 2 line following sensors on the bottom and iris sensors in the front, and these iris sensors sense this soccer ball which sends a signal to the sensors.
What kind of signal?
Infrared signal.
Okay.
So see it move.
Okay, great, cool. So that's an autonomous goalie. And what else do you have?
And then so I also have a soccer robot player which has a Bluetooth module on top right here, and my phone can connect to the module and I can move the robot with my phone.
Okay, show me.
So if I go up, I go back, I go left, right, and spin around. Yeah.
Okay, we'll see if you can't score on the goalie.
So as you can see, it's a little bit tough to control because the soccer robot is not as responsive as I'd like. Yeah.
All right. Sounds good.
Something I can improve on would be to maybe make a better cradle for the soccer player.
Yep.
As the ball can roll out very easily.
Yep.
And second of all, I could also add sensors on the other side, line following sensors on the other side of this robot, so that it'd be better able to follow this black line.
Perfect. I agree. Nice job.